Question 8, we are told that this angle and this angle are equal. And when you know that, it means this is an isosceles triangle. It means that these two sides are the same. Now, unless you know that, this question is particularly difficult, because we're told these lengths, but we actually want to work out the perimeter. Not an expression for the perimeter, that would be easy, we just collect all these terms together. We actually work it out. But now, because I've identified its isosceles, and these two sides are the same, we can say that these two sides are equal, and form the equation 3x minus 5 equals 19 minus x. Now this is a pretty straightforward equation. We have unknowns on both sides, so let's get them on one side. And it makes sense to collect them on the side where the most are. Here's 3x, and be very careful, here there is a negative 1x. So I'm going to remove this one by adding an x. If there's minus 1, if I add an x, it goes to 0, therefore removing it. So I'm going to do that to both sides. Because it's equal, they must stay equal. So it'll be 4x take away 5 is 19. Now, because I've got the letters on the left-hand side, these number terms I want to collect on the right-hand side. So I'm going to remove this one. So I'm going to remove it by adding 5 and do the same to both sides again to keep it equal. So 4x is 24. And now I can tell you what x is nice and simply by dividing by 4. X is 6. Now, if we know x is 6, we can finish the question. This must be 12, 2 x's. 3 of them would be 18, take away 5 is 13. Now, I could, if I'm a bit foolish, say, well, that's 13 instantly. But because I know they're the same, I might as well check that I've done my equation correctly. If x is 6, 19 take away 6 is 13. Now, because I've got the same answer, I know I haven't made a single mistake. It's isosceles, so they had to be the same. 13, add 12, 26, 28, 38 is the answer. So it's 38 centimetres.